A for apple, A for ant, B for bat, B for ball, C for cat and C for cup, D for dog, D for dots, E for egg and E for elephant, F for frog, F for fish, G for goat and G for grass, H for hand, H for hat, I for ink and I for insect, J for juice, J for jar, K for king and K for kite, L for lamb, L for leaf, live. N for man and M for monkey, N for neck, N for nose, na. O for ocean, O for oar, P for plum, P for parrot, Q for queen and Q for quill, Q. R for rope, R for red. S for sun and S for sunflower, T for tap, T for tub, U for uncle, U for umbrella, V for violin, V for wallet, W for well and W for water, X for box, X for fox, Y for yacht and Y for yellow, U. Z for zoo, Z for zebra, Z.